Welcome back to Hometowns. It's your girl, Kristen Towns, and I am here for another house update. I know it's been a minute, but I've been under the weather. I've been so sick, and so today I decided to drive out to the house since I was feeling better. And to my surprise, the brick is almost done. I can't wait to show it to you, so let's go. All right, guys, so here we go. I initially wanted an all-white brick home. I wanted the black accents, kind of like the white and black themed home that you see trending right now. And my husband wasn't really feeling that, so we decided to compromise and kind of come in between. So we ended up with a brick that has been a little whitewashed. It's kind of light in color, but it still has a lot of character to it. And y'all, I am so in love. I want you all to see this house. As you can see, it is a very rich brick. It has so much character to it. And I really wanted a modern traditional style home. So we went with a traditional design with the bricklaying and then brought out the light color brick to bring the modern element. We'll have 3 sconces above each garage barrel, and then I added a vent at the top just to give it a break in the bricks. This is our bottom accent brick, and it is beautiful as well. My only regret is not bringing this brick a little higher up, but it turned out beautifully. I initially wanted a different brick, but I changed my mind so that we could match our stone a little closer. And then one of my favorite parts of the exterior part is these black windows. I love, love, love black windows. They are absolutely gorgeous, and it's the perfect pop to add on top of this light colored brick. Anytime you're choosing colors, especially exterior colors, contrasts, high contrast is the way to go. And then on each window, we added a small ledge just for a little more character around the house. When we first started the bricks, as you can see here, I was not sure about my choice for this brick. I was questioning it, and I actually almost told them to take it down and we're gonna choose something else. I'm so glad I trusted the process. You have to trust the process. You have to see it come together for it to all flow. And as you can see, even here, I still did not like my decision. I was asking my friends, I was like, what do y'all think? And then here goes the aha moment. You have to trust the process. You have to let it dry and kind of let the sun hit it, let the mortar settle. And then you're able to see that brick that you initially fell in love with in the beginning. This is the balcony upstairs. We started here on the bricks, and it overlooks our backyard. I think this is gonna be my zone when we move in. I will be up here all the time, y'all. It's absolutely gorgeous. You know, every time they began laying bricks in a different area, I did not like this brick at all. Here again, I hated it. And when you're laying bricks, know that the initial look is not the look of the brick. When the mortar is wet, it is an absolute different color than when it's dry. So it looks a little dirty, a little splatchy. It does not look like the final result. Once it dries and that mortar has had time to settle, you can then come back and take a look around and you'll see that brick that you're in love with. Here it is, dry and settled, and as you can see, it's very, very uniform and beautiful. For the front entrance, we really wanted to accentuate the front door, so my contractor had them do a double arch design, and it's gorgeous. We used architectural shingles, and they are from Tamco in the color of shadow gray. And then our main brick is from Meridian Brick, and we did the queen size in Magnolia Bay. And for the mortar, we just went with white just to help pull out that white color from the bricks. We haven't started on stone, but just to give you a full picture, we went with slate terracotta flats for stone. Once we made all of the final decisions, I kind of created a mood board just to pull these pieces together and see how they flow with each other. This one included the first accent brick that we had chosen, but I just wanted to show you how I was able to pull the pieces together to see if they flowed well with each other. This is the garage color I went with, and I just thought it went well with a white color contrast. All of the doors around the exterior of the home will be painted black, and that will tie in with our beautiful black iron door. And then for the underhang, we're going with a very white color to help pull another level of whiteness, and this will help give a modern feel to this traditional brick. This is the only area that has not been completed here at the bottom. This will be the accent brick all the way around, and I'm giving you all of the exterior features of our home. I'm so excited that my children will be able to grow up in this home and make their own memories. Look at her go. She just loves it out here. I try to bring them out here often so they can grow familiar to the house. So I'm gonna go out to the road and showing you the entire view of our home all the way around. It's absolutely gorgeous. I want you to chime in. Let me know what you think of the different elements we chose, the shingles, the windows, the bricks, everything. How do you think it flows together? Would you have done anything differently? I want to hear from you. But until then, thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you later. Bye.